I would sing some verse or melody. But since this is not so, you see, I do not know what my song might be. Yet I have in mind that if it please God's kind, this time I will try and find how I will sing unconfined of my love when I have her sign. When I have her sign. The truest lover ever born I would be if I had love, not scorn. Though she gave me no pleasure sworn, I would be her man from eve to morn. For once I loved indeed, and therefore I take heed of how love goes, and read how I will love when I need another time at my own speed. Love, if a man sowed it would spring as thick that from one thanks he would bring 3 harvests, and from one delights fling more than 10, and from one courting 20, and from one true joy 100 joys without alloy would be born till she would employ words to say I have joy 1,000 times more than I sow, boy. Courting has turned all upside down. The worthy and the courtly crown get ill's the base, the best renown. For when ladies have a good name known, they want the worthy to woo, and then choose the wicked crew. The false gets I do, the true I will do, I will do. So I hold their praise of no value. With many arts false women keep the discourteous standing, and heap griefs always on the loyal who weep the confessed lovers. So one must reap a curb on them, for it is fit they live in fear of it. I speak of those I have met, of the false ones I tell you yet. But I do not deny a bit that the ill men get from it. Their true pleasure is in it, for a man who is